Hey guys! Today we're learning about breathing. How do we breathe? We breathe to get oxygen from the air to get rid of carbon dioxide. Our muscle expands our lungs and de-expands our lungs. So this makes airflow in and out of your lungs. The organs for breathing is called the breathing system. You can survive 3 weeks without food, and you can survive 3 days without water, but only 3 minutes without air. So in places where there's no air, humans take it with them. Taking air with them, like in space. Your lungs, in your thorax, chest, the diaphragm is a shield muscle that separates your thorax from your abdomen, lower part of your body. Your lungs are protected by your ribs. The muscles between your ribs can move them. From your nose to mouth, air goes in the windpipe or trachea. The trachea is kept open by tough rings of the distal called the cartilage. The trachea divides into 2 bronchi. Each bronchus divides into smaller tubes in your lungs. Tips of your small branches are tiny pockets called alveoli. These alveoli have thin walls and are surrounded by a network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries, which have blood in them, obviously, because they're blood veins. When you breathe, the diaphragm and the muscles between your ribs, intercostal muscles, can make thorax bigger or smaller. When you breathe in or inhale, intercostal muscles contract, pulling the rib cage upwards and out. The diaphragm muscles contract, pulling the diaphragm down. These movements of your ribs and diaphragm increase the volume of your thorax. This reduces air pressure inside your lungs and air flows in. So these are the pictures that they show me. So look, this is your mouth and nose. Air goes inside. Ribs up, intercostal muscles contract. Diaphragm down. Air out, ribs down. So, yeah. Intercostal muscles relax, diaphragm up. You see the difference? So, the movement of air in and out of your lungs is called ventilation. You cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. When you swallow, a small flap moves over the opening of your trachea. This flap is never mind. But still, It makes sure food does not go down the wrong way to get in your breathing tubes. In some food lands on the flaps. You cough to splutter the food away, to jerk the food away. When you breathe out or exhale, intercostal muscles relax and the rib cage fall down. The diaphragm muscles relax, so the diaphragm moves up. These movements decrease the volume of your thorax. This increases air pressure and air flows out of your lung. So yeah, that's it. And goodbye!